welcome back to our channel. I'm Chris.
I'm Drew.
And we're the couple that does makeup together. We're here on this beautiful island in
Washington State.
In Washington, yes. Beautiful, beautiful views. We're actually here for our anniversary. Thank you to the person who's letting us
stay at their lovely cabin.
Yes. But today we thought we would just do just a light beat, just talk about our anniversary. We were going to buy some products from Riley Rose, which is it's a makeup store that sells a lot of indie makeup in stores. There was Juno & Co., Lime Crime, Sigma brushes were being sold there.
Ace Beauté.
Ace Beauté, yeah. There was lots of indie brands actually being sold in store. But nothing really caught our eyes per se,
really.
Or if it did, it was too expensive. We're just going to do a light beat. Drew, however, has a new palette that he's been wanting that I got for him that I found at an Ulta that just had started displaying it. And it's the Rachel Leary palette. Yes. So it's that all-in-one palette that he was talking about. It's like half an eyeshadow palette, half a face palette, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. You see this? See that beauty? So we're just going to play with some makeup, just do a light beat, like I said, just hang out with us, here on our anniversary on this lovely day. It's beautiful out, even though it's the summer, it's bright, but it's still kind of nice and cool. First, I am going to moisturize, because I need it. I need her. And I'm going in with the NYX Bear With Me. This is the Hydrating Jelly Primer. I've wanted this for a while. But they didn't have it in store. I really like this stuff. Just gonna go in with this.
Kind of priming with this Morphe mist.
Oh, also, I forgot. You may or may not have noticed, but our hair colors are different.
Oh, yeah.
Drew's is yours is actually turning into an auburn, a reddish brown, and I just went back to black. So a dark black, a very cool black. Oh, now I can bring this back up. Can't vacation without it. Alright, and then next I'm going to go in with another NYX, the Bear With Me Prime Set Refresh multitasking spray. This is really nice. I usually just use this to kind of, after the jelly, just kind of help rehydrate the skin just a little bit more, prime it even more.
And I think for today I'm honestly going to just use this for everything. So I'm going to use the bronzer, the blush, and the highlighter, and the eyeshadow.
Alright, and then I'm going to do a little bit more primer with the Milk Blur Stick. What that was.
Curious what this audio is going to sound like. It's going to be
I know.
windy or anything.
Probably, so forgive us if the audio isn't as good, yeah. Usually you guys don't see this little thing. We usually try to have it out of frame, but today's a little different. So lay that down, and then you just pretty much gotta pat it in. I usually just take my damp beauty blender and just drag it into the skin. I didn't even shave. So.
It's we're on vacation.
Yeah.
So this is kind of just us hanging out, just having fun.
Exactly. Yep.
Get ready with us to go nowhere.
I know. Get ready with us to go nowhere.
Hang out in our cabin.
Hang out and just literally. I've been playing Skyrim on the Switch this whole time, and it's been amazing. If you follow me on Snapchat, you would have seen my story, what my view would have looked like. Sitting on the sitting on the couch, looking out at the huge, kind of bay-style window, looking out onto the, little ocean right here. Looking out at the Puget Sound, yes. And just playing Skyrim. It's been amazing. I know, and this is going to be the first time I think we've done makeup in natural light, right?
Looking scary.
I was just about to say, it's going to definitely look a lot different. So I'm going to go in with my two favorites. So the Too Faced Born This Way foundation and the concealer in the shades Warm Beige for both. I don't have my mixing plate, so I'm just gonna take 1.5 pumps, if that, on the back of my hand. Love the way this foundation looks. Smells good. What did you just spray? Morphe?
Morphe.
Smells good.
Speaking of Morphe sprays, The new Jeffree
Oh,
Star, like,
I know.
Starberry spray.
Did it come out today?
Came out today, yeah. As
Or-
I'm filming this.
Yep.
And what's funny is, like, we're in a, like, we usually live in a place that we can get Morphe, like, stuff instantly because we have a Morphe store.
Mm-hmm.
But now we're on vacation. We're not near a Morphe store.
Yeah.
We're like, damn it.
I'm gonna do my brows, and hey, what's up, bird? I've been doing my brows, or I'm gonna do my brows, and I've been doing them with the Urban Decay Brow Blade in the shade Dark Drapes, and this has been like really, really nice because it has a fine like felt tip. So I'm like holding it up like as if you can see it. Too far, but it basically has like a fine like eyeliner tip, but even finer than that to draw in individual hairs, and then it has like a just like an eyebrow like pencil on the other side. That's really, really nice to use as well. I usually just use the brow blade part just to kind of help create that shape with some fine hairs. Brows looking really bad. I'm gonna use my concealer to cover my brows because they really badly need it.
I'm gonna bake my under eyes with my Fenty powder, which I'm really liking. You have to be very careful with this stuff under your eyes because it just like collects in your lines a little bit. But for overall like face setting, it's really nice.
I'm gonna go in with this Jelly Pop Flush Blush. Haven't tried this yet, so I've been really wanting to try it. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like watermelon.
It's the collection, girl.
Oof.
Watermelon pop, honey.
Oof. It smells really good. So I'm gonna set the rest of the face with my Hourglass Veil setting powder, translucent.
Okay, I'm gonna dig into the Rachel Leary palette. I'm gonna go in with some bronzer contour. Going with this color, it's called Brond. It's like the lightest color in here. It's top color.
I know, we got some harsh lighting here,
looks
folks.
Nice, but you can't really see.
Yeah.
Looks really good though.
I know you can't just like turn this way. Do a bit of contouring with my BH Pro Contour palette.
Let that shit bake for a minute. Looks pretty heavy, but whatever, I'm into it.
Gonna go in with the Jawbreaker palette. Yeah, I'm just taking the shade Cone to help set my concealer over the eyes because I forgot my eyeshadow primer.
I'm gonna try out a blush in the sky. I'm gonna try the Rosé. It's kind of like a bright pink. Try out a highlighter now. I'm going with this glazed color. I kind of wanted to try the Ultimate Goddess. It's like a bright like yellow, but I'm gonna go in with this one. It's like a white, almost white highlighter. Like my Fenty Shark Tooth brush.
Ooh,
Kind of reminds me of Marshmallow from Anastasia. Kind of like a white, but it's got a little bit like a yellowish gold tint.
I'm gonna take that orange color Suck and just blend that on the inner and the outer portion of my eye. I don't know what kind of look I'm going for. It's just colorful.
I'm gonna take the shade Oh Honey, put that in my crease. I'm gonna take the shade Tantastic and deepen up the outer V of my eye.
I take a lemon drop on the, and basically just create a halo.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna take the shade 70% and try to like deepen Tantastic up a little bit. It's not as dark on my eye as it looks in the pan. So 70% is kind of like looks like a charcoal gray. So I'm gonna be like very, very light and like just tapping it like once. And take the shade Drippin'. It's like a kind of like a darkened champagne. Kind of put that in the middle portion of my lid. And I'll probably go in with the shade Glossy. It's like a pink shimmer. And put that more towards the middle, or the inner portion.
I'm just taking Raspberry, which is a very deep raspberry color, just kind of putting that in the inner portion and outer portion of my eye.
I'm going to take a pencil brush, and I'm going to take the shade Glossy and try to tuck that even more into my inner portion, my inner tear duct.
And I'm going to take that Jawbreaker shade and just kind of use that as my inner corner highlight. I'm going to finish up with the I Heart Chocolate Lip Gloss from Makeup Revolution in the shade Chocolate Fudge, and it actually smells like chocolate fudge. Ugh, smells so good.
And then for me, I'm actually going to take one of the lip tints from the Coconuts About You.
I love those.
I'm going to go in with Gimme Some More. It's like a lighter nude pink. Then I'm going to top it with the Fenty Lip Balm in Diamond Milk. It's like a silvery white gloss.
Alright, so these are our final looks. I'm not, like, super impressed by mine, per se. Like, I don't mind it. It's okay. I definitely was trying to rush it because I want to get back to vacation.
Right.
I really love Drew's look. How did
I
you
like it.
did
I
you
like this
the-
palette a lot, actually.
I was
It's
going
really
to say.
nice. I really like it a lot.
Because he hasn't used it yet.
Yeah, I haven't used it before, but I can't wait to use it more. I actually really, really liked it.
It does look really nice.
And like it's for your everyday man or woman. It's such a nice palette because it's like everything is in here, like
Heck yeah.
literally everything.
Oh yeah.
So
Really
she
nice.
included like different tones for different skin tones and
And it's a nice, like, the eyeshadow parts are really nice,
8
like,
mattes,
shades.
8 shimmers.
Yeah.
It's really nice. Love this palette a lot.
I feel like that's perfect for the summer, honestly.
It's
Oh
really
yeah.
nice.
And transitioning into fall, yes, too, but, you know, all that good stuff. All right, we're going to go back to our anniversary vacation.
Have a cocktail or two.
Oh, yes, or 4. We got to go through that ginger beer. All right, well, thank you for watching. We upload every Monday. We didn't upload 2 Mondays ago because Drew had strep throat, so sorry about that. And I am full-time school, so I can't edit. It takes a lot of time, so Drew wasn't feeling well, so we weren't able to upload that day. But we promise we're going to upload every Monday as much as we can at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you like this video, comment, like, subscribe, share it, turn on the bell notifications so you know when we upload a new video. Because sometimes we upload a
bonus video.
Cool. And if you want to, come on back next week Monday to hang on out with us. We'd really love to have you. See you later, beautiful.
Bye.